The issue around waste management is a huge problem, not only in Kenya but in most developing countries. This waste has a lot of value, though we look at it as useless. So we can be able to value add this waste to make some economic benefits. And then on the other side, we have the constant shortages and the high prices of chemical fertilizers. So we can be able to value add our organic waste to make fertilizers. And to facilitate that, we have come up with some microbial products. And we can also consider converting the waste into biofuels. These products have ability to reduce the waste that is we normally dispose using septic tanks. So whereby for an ordinary Kenyan to be able to evacuate or to empty their septic tanks, they need approximately 20,000. And by using our products, continually adding into the septic tanks or even pit latrines, it is going to reduce the cost of managing their septic tanks, so they don't have to worry about hiring the expensive exhauster services. So we are now bringing that intervention, and it has high potential of, like now when we have biofertilizers that are always available, they are not expensive, especially for our smallholder farmers. That converts to a lot of value in terms of crop productivity, for food security. Then again, because the situation is like the people with septic tanks and pit latrines, when they have no money, they cannot afford the 20,000. What they normally do is that they drain their sewage into rivers, into streams. So now that, of course, now leads to a lot of water pollution. Rivers so there is water scarcity. We don't have adequate water for use in various purposes, sectors, like even in the industry sector, even for domestic uses. So, and again, the issue of waterborne diseases. So we are going to be addressing all that. We need some support financially. At least we need about $100,000 to be able to establish a production facility, buy the production equipment, and set up some channels for distribution and marketing. So we are looking for partners and investors who can be able to now come through and support us to be able to implement this great project.